Yo, Moz here again, and on the workbench I'm going to be reviewing this Tempest Mk.V post-war offering from Airfix. So Airfix released this last year and they've now re-released it with post-war markings, and it's now arrived on my bench, and I thought I would just open up the box, give you a little look inside and just show you what the decals are going to be and the schemes that you're going to get. But firstly, let's have a quick look on the outside of the box. So there you go, inside of the box you've got the lingo there, obviously of warnings in different languages. The code for this one is A02110 Tempest Mk.V post-war. Edge of the box, you've got the box art there and also the product code again, and it's a 1/72 scale. Side of this, or this side of the box, you're going to have some bump about the plane itself. One of the finest aeroplanes of the Second World War, the Tempest Mk.V, could trace its design lineage back to the Hurricane fighters. So the Tempest featured a newly designed laminar flow wing, much thinner than the wing used on its predecessor, allowing the new fighter to slip through the air at incredible speed. So there you go. You're going to have two schemes for this one. You're going to have scheme A, which is aircraft flown by Squadron Leader H. Popper Ambrose, DFC, Commanding Officer of Number 26 Squadron, Royal Air Force, Germany 1946. And then again, you're going to get this one here, which is more of a camel design with the nice blue noses and blue drop tank, and that's number 80 Wunstorf, formerly Advanced Landing Ground B-11, Germany 1946. So there you go. Those are the paints that you're going to need. You're going to need a few, but they're not included, and neither is the glue. Skill level 2. And flying hours you get 1, because this kit's $11.99 on the website, and I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can buy this kit. Now we're seeing outside the box, let's have a look inside the box. But before we do, if you're not a subscriber, would you consider subscribing by clicking subscribe, then ringing that bell, select all, and you'll never miss another video here from this channel. And inside you get a nice bag of plastic there, some sprues. You're going to get this decal sheet, and you're going to get the instructions on how to build this kit. So firstly, let's have a look at the decals. Look at that, really nice crisp decals. You can see you're going to have a lot of fun here putting these on. They've all been cut out for the placement on whether you have the gearing up or the gearing down. You can see that quite clearly. It's looking pretty smart. And there you go, there's some of the yellow trim. You can spray these on. In my video, I actually have built the original Tempest that Airfix released last year. You can watch the video here. I'll leave a link there so you can see how I got on with that kit and that scheme. But yeah, you've got lots to look at here. Some very nice. You've got a dashboard piece to go there, which is good, and they got all those stenciling as well. So yeah, two schemes on this one, and you will have a lot of fun, I think, putting these on. A lot of fun. Into the instructions, I don't think there's anything different to the original ones that I originally done. Again, you start off by putting the cockpit seat in, and then you're doing some work there on the dash, on the display. Again, there's the filter put in the front, and part of the gearing at the back. Then you put all these together. Now there'll be a gap there underneath where you can slip the cockpit in. It's stunning. I'll tell you, when you build it, you will see how it all goes together. Once the cockpit's all put together there, you can spray this up inside. You've got your colours there, 33 and 78. Then you're moving on to putting in the structure of the wing. So this is for gearing up, there's that one there, or for gearing down, you leave out B2 and B3. Obviously you have to drill out these holes here for the drop tanks. And then there you go, you're starting, you have to drill these bits in. So if you see part C4 for step 33 on page 9, you're basically drilling in and filing off these parts here. Top wings go onto the bottom wings, really simple construction. And then you basically put in, this is the floor of the cockpit that you put together. And it's really simple. It's a really lovely build, I can assure you. It's really, really nice. And then this lovely piece here where you just slip that inside on top of the filter there. It's absolutely fantastic. It really does go well together. You will love it. It's really, really good piece. Then tail fins go on, and then with the gearing up, you're going to put that door in, or if not, you're going to put the trailing wheel on the back, and then you've got the 2 flaps there with 2 doors on the back there for the undercarriage. Again, you've got some more out of the doors here to put on. This goes well together. I had no problems putting this together. There is a bit of a tricky section when you're putting these supports in here, but they do go in absolutely fine. Just trim them up nice, they go in absolutely cool. And also you've got your paints there, so number 11, paint them up 11. Again, you're putting some supports in, and watch bits out, and some more of the doors there. There's the 2 drop tanks. You glue them together, stick them on the bottom. Then you've got your wheels, and then you have that flap, which you can adjust to where you want it. It's really nice. Some antennae to go on, and you can see that it tells you exactly the angles that need to go on here. These instructions do feel a little bit better than the old Tempest that I did. Then you put the exhaust on. These are 2 sides, they fit together nice. So 2 bits together, so they're spread, if you see what I mean. Really nice. Then you've got the choice of propellers, really nice too, and it's movable as well. It's really nice how that all goes together. So you push it all in, just glue that in together there, and then it spin inside there, and that just slots into like the nose of the plane, of the fuselage. And then you've got your pilot to go in, and then you have the canopy to go on there. Really simple. And you can either have the canopy closed or open, depending on what you wish for. Bit of a speedy one tonight. So here we go, we've got the call outs here. This is for scheme A. So silver, matte yellow, matte black and gunmetal is what you need here. Really, really nice. I'm just trying to see, so as you can see, you know, where you're going over with the gearing up or gearing down, that's basically, this is with the gearing up, that's where the stencil goes. Or you're using these parts here, and then you're going to add these sections here onto it, so 54, 53 and 66 of the stencil all the way around. So basically you're covering up, so when it opens you'll see that the lettering is, and the numbers are going to be on the doors of the undercarriage. Same again this side, nice camo here, so you're going to need a lot more colours here. Matte 24, matte blue, dark green, matte black, gunmetal, matte ocean grey and satin medium sea grey. And then there's all the call outs there, and again you've got a bit of a call out there on how to put the numbers in the position where the doors are. Fantastic, really, really nice. Quick look at the sprues. So in for the clear parts this time, the drop tanks are clear, which is a really nice touch. There you go, some nice clear drop tanks there. Got a bit of a matte finish to them, but looks okay to me. Again, you've got the 2-part canopy there. So you've got the front end, and then you've got the actual dome itself. And then you have this piece here, which is for the cockpit. Really nice piece there. It's looking smart. And then you've got your lights there. You can see that little dots there for your lights. Okay, so you've got a few bits there to go for your glass. Really nice pieces there. So let's go through the sprues, shall we? That's D, that's B, there's C, and there we go, there's frame A. There you go, there's the actual fuselage pieces there. It looks really crisp, no flash on this whatsoever. It's a pretty good tool actually, this one. You've got some inner detail there inside the cockpit, which you can paint before you start putting it all together. There you go, there's that little piece there that just fits over the top of the air intake, I should say, not air filter, air intake. And there's the chair there. Pretty nice indeed, very, very nice. We have frame B. which is the wing top, the bottom of the wing, the underside. Yeah, very nice plastic on that one. And again, you've got some marks there, but you just have to polish them out or just sand them out. It's pretty thick wheels on this one, so it's not like 2-part wheels, a 1-part wheel. There you go, some little internal there. And you could actually use these as masks if you wanted to. If you're spraying it up, you could use these as your masks to keep the wheel wells clear. Right, top of the wing, as you can see, there's the canopy, there's the cockpit floor there. It just goes well together. It's such a lovely design, this. Really well thought out, this one. There's some more internal there for where the wheels go. Moving through, very nice indeed. You see that, all the detail. You've got a pilot in this one as well. So pilot, there's twerking, twerk. I haven't said that for a while, have I? And then also you've got the little bits as well. You've got your propeller there. Have a quick check. Look at the instructions. I can only see one propeller here. I can't see any other propellers on this kit, can you? No. Just want to see what the difference is on the propeller then. Let's have a quick look in the instructions for the propeller. Oh, it's different noses, isn't it? That's right. You have different noses. That's what it is. It's not the propeller itself, it's the different noses on the propeller. Yeah, I just caught that. So yeah, so you've got more of a pointy nose and more of a bubble nose really on that one. So that's the difference on that one. That's the only difference. Have a quick look on here just to make sure where's the noses to. Where's the noses on this one? There you go. So there you go. You've got like 2 different styles of nose there. You see that? Just 2 different styles of nose. That's it really. That is it. So there you have it. That is the new release of the Hawker Tempest Mk.V post-war schemes and shape and style that Airfix have released this year. This one, decal schemes and pack design 2022. And they come with cartograph decals as well. So pretty much an all-in-one kit. $11.99 on the website now, so if you want to buy it, there'll be a link in the description box down below. Anyways, if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And if you've not seen my Tempest build from last year, click here. If you'd like to see other videos on this channel, click here. Thanks for watching.